One constant since the beginning of time may be change. However, a fear of change is also a very real constant. Since times immemorial, humans have liked routine. It makes us feel comfortable. It makes us feel in control of our lives. It was Benjamin Franklin who said, when you're finished changing, you're finished. When an individual, group, or society rejects change, there's very little growth. The ability to change, progress, or grow, the inability to change, progress, or grow, results in stagnation and prevents us from reaching our full potential. So how do we leave the comfort of routine and embrace change and thereby allow ourselves to grow closer to our full potential? How do we find a safe environment to learn and play that minimizes the stress associated with change? I speak for this entire cohort when I say SELP, that's how. This agency has put in place a remarkable program that in a very methodical way forces us out of our comfort zones and allows us to be more vulnerable and courageous. It allows us to actively try on different aspects of leadership and see which ones help us individually and help us to be a better leader, not just for NASA, but in all areas of our lives. Slowly, we, the whole cohort, are slowly becoming the latest crop of capable leaders for the agency, much like the ones represented in this audience. This 2022 cohort is ready and eager to join NASA's current leadership and guide our agency during times of incredible change. We, the leaders of this Artemis generation, are ready to create sustainable presence on the moon and embark on missions to Mars. We are ready to take on new missions of science, robotics, exploration, and technology development. We will do this while increasing our commercial partnerships and minimizing our infrastructure and workforce to carry on these bold endeavors. This will not be an easy task. And I challenge all of us, our cohort, leaders in this room and across NASA, to continue to embrace and lead this agency to a new place with more commercial engagement while maintaining our incredible capability to do things only NASA can do. While the cohort of resilient and capable leaders is ready to join you in helping shape NASA of tomorrow, we would be remiss if we didn't acknowledge all those who helped us become more fully developed as leaders. To those people, we would like to say thank you. Thank you to Ralph Rowe, and Chief Engineer, Deputy Chief Engineer as well, for putting in place an incredible program whose need was recognized. To Kevin and Cindy and the whole SELP development team that helped us become better leaders at the end of the day. For all the centers and programs that gave us opportunities to try out our new capabilities that we cultivated. To all our coworkers and families who sacrificed and took on more that we could more fully engage in this program. We would not have been able to do it without you. Finally, to all present, to everyone who came, who took the time to help us celebrate our SELP graduation, we say thank you. Our cohort would also like to take a moment to say farewell to Kevin McGee. As he moves on to the next chapter in his life, he will be greatly missed, and his legacy will live for years to come. Countless leaders throughout this agency owe Kevin a debt of gratitude. For his many years of service, we say thank you. In closing, this group recognizes the agency is changing. It is with a grateful heart and a willing spirit that we're prepared to help this agency to its next destinations. So with a final thank you, we ask you to join us, the 2022 SELP cohort, in taking NASA to a new and better place. Thank you.